Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an alternator in a GMC Acadia. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable from your battery. This crucial step prevents electrical shocks and short circuits during the repair. Next, gather all necessary tools, including a new alternator, a ratchet, various sockets, and a serpentine belt tool. Having everything ready saves valuable time. Now, let's access the alternator. Use a serpentine belt tool to release the tensioner, allowing you to remove the serpentine belt from the alternator pulley. Next, carefully disconnect the main power wire and any other electrical connectors attached to the alternator. Finally, locate and remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that secure the alternator to the engine bracket. With the mounting bolts removed, carefully extract the old alternator from its position. It can be heavy, so be prepared. Now, gently place the new alternator into the bracket, aligning the bolt holes. Secure it tightly using the mounting bolts, ensuring they are torqued to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect all electrical wires and connectors firmly. For the final steps, carefully reinstall the serpentine belt, ensuring it is correctly routed over all pulleys. Double-check all your connections to confirm they are secure. Reconnect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal. Start your vehicle and observe the dashboard for any warning lights. Use a multimeter to confirm the new alternator is charging the battery at around 13 to 14 volts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.